I packed my adventure backpack with me. Yeah, so first thing, Dogman, because obviously I'm obsessed. So, yeah, just put it in the back pocket. All set. Cute. Next thing, these little juice pockets. Stack. Yeah. Skip. And then this drink, because I'm also obsessed. Ugh, I have to like squeeze it in there. Yes, it's kind of heavy. Done. I actually want to put another thing inside. Hold up. So I have this little drawing pad for my baby sister. Her name is Zarina. And yeah. So whenever I'm bored, have this. And we got some goldfish. Just a card game. Yeah, but who cares? Who cares about that? Yeah. Then I'm gonna pack this marker color and watercolor book, which is only one page, because, you know, it's only a little bit of space. Come on. Yep, and we just fold it until it makes a square. Kind of like this, but I'll make it smaller because why not? It's a small bag. Oh wait, I forgot to zip the other. There you go. I can't zip this part because it's literally giant. None of this is sponsored, by the way, so yeah. I want to fit another book, but it means I have to hold this one. Dork Diaries. And I love